Today, we witness the beautiful continuity of our ancient fraternity, a passing of the torch that illuminates our path towards brotherly love, religion, and truth. Such is the nature of our institution that some must, out of necessity, rule and teach, while others must learn to submit and obey. Humility in both is an essential duty. I therefore trust you have but one aim: to please one another and to unite in the grand design of promoting happiness.
Leadership in Freemasonry is not merely a position of authority. It is a solemn obligation to serve with humility, integrity, wisdom, and compassion.
Our position made to serve and not trophies to display. Our aprons symbolizes our commitment, not worn for pride. It symbolizes work. The apron teaches that Masonry is not about titles, but labor. The labor of improving oneself, serving others, and building a better world. A Mason wear an apron, for he is called not to conquer men, but to build himself.